Hi everyone, it's Anam from PPC Ad Editor, and I'm back with another exciting feature that's going to change the way you create your ads. Have you ever wanted to run the same ad in different languages, but dreaded the idea of manually creating each one from scratch? We know how time consuming that can be, and now you don't have to worry about that anymore. With just a single click, you can automatically translate your ads into multiple languages without having to recreate the entire ad. So here's how it works. So first, we'll be creating a new Google RSA ad, and we'll translate this exact ad to create a duplicate of it using the translate and duplicate feature. And we will also see the side-by-side comparison between translated duplicate ad and original one. So yeah, let's start with selecting the ad channel. So select the ad channel as Google ad, and then the ad format, and then ad source. Click continue. Yeah, it will take a while. So once our RSA Google search ad is generated, so yeah, it looks like yeah. So our responsive search ad has been generated and looks perfect. So yeah, and now let's go back to the preview section. You can select any existing ad you've created with PPC Ad Editor and click the translate duplicate icon. Well, in my case, I have generated this demo RSA ad. So clicking the translate duplicate icon. So a pop-up model will show up with these languages. Select the language you want to translate to your ad to, and click duplicate. By the way, it's still in beta, so there will be some other features that you might see in future. So yeah, it will take a little while. So once our preview translated duplicate has been generated, so let's open this preview in new window so we can compare and see how it looks side by side. Let me open it in new tab. So yes, it's here. We can see that it has translated all the site links, call out structured snippets, and descriptions, and add headlines for the ads to the selected language. I can't read French nor understand. So yeah, let's just copy the heading one and translate it to English, whether it's correct or not. Yeah, opening a new window, search French to English, paste the heading, and convert. So yeah, it's translated. Click ici pour modifier means click here to edit, and it's the same. By the way, guys, I've memorized this line for the sake of video. So yeah, don't mind my accent. So whether it's for Google search, YouTube, or any other mainstream social platforms, it will translate instantly. So you won't have to worry about more copying and pasting your headlines, descriptions, and other details. R2 duplicates everything for you, keeping your message consistent while adapting it to new audiences. Is perfect for expanding your campaigns globally, reaching new markets, and saving tons of time in the process. So you might be thinking, why is this such a game changer? So because it allows you to scale your campaigns quickly while ensuring your ads stay professional and aligned with your brand's tone in different languages. You get to maintain control, adjust as needed, and reach diverse audiences without all the repetitive work. So if you're looking to run your ads in multiple countries or just want to create an ad in another language for social market, PPC Translate and Duplicate is here to make it incredibly simple and fast. So yeah, give it a try and see how much time and effort you can save while expanding your ad research, ad reach. Yeah, and thanks for watching. And as always, feel free to reach out if you have any question. See you in the next video. Bye.